Russian Foreign Ministry said Monday that Russia has called on Lithuania to immediately lift the ban on the transit of a large number of goods through its territory to Russia's Kaliningrad region. The ministry said that if cargo transit between the Kaliningrad region and the rest of the Russian Federation through Lithuania is not fully restored in the near future, Russia reserves the right to take actions to protect its national interests. Lithuania announced last week to ban the rail transit of goods that are subject to European Union sanctions through its territory to the Russian enclave of Kaliningrad. Also on Monday, the European Central Bank published a monthly report saying that the influx of Ukrainians fleeing the Russian-Ukraine conflict could slightly ease the tightness observed in the Euro area labor market. The report quoted the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees as saying that around 7 million people have left Ukraine, with a significant proportion of them expected to reach the Eurozone. Data from the ECB report showed that the Russian-Ukraine crisis has clearly influenced Ukrainians' choice of destination countries, as 75% of Ukraine migrants currently live in the Euro area. In the pre-crisis years, the figure stood at only 24%.